Android to get lockdown mode. Don't let it lock out your workflow. You're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, Android to get lockdown mode. At CyberStreams, we keep small businesses like law firms, universities, nonprofits, and manufacturers ahead of cyber threats. Google hasn't confirmed it, but code in Android 16 betas points to a new Advanced Protection Mode, or APM, a lockdown mode inspired by Apple's feature. With Google I/O 2025 kicking off tomorrow at the time of this writing, May 13th, we might see an announcement, potentially rolling out with Android 16 in August or September. Here's what your business needs to know. APM targets high-risk users like activists or executives facing advanced threats from spyware or oppressive regimes, not everyday users. It disables 2G connections, blocks app sideloading, enables memory tagging extension or MTE to prevent memory exploits, and forces a device to reboot after 3 days of inactivity to flush RAM-based malware. A new API lets apps detect APM and adjust settings, like disabling just-in-time or JIT compilation in browsers or auto display of media in messaging apps, reducing attack surfaces. But there's a catch. This mode sacrifices convenience. Features you rely on daily may be restricted, making your device less user-friendly. Plus, experts question if Google's implementation will truly match Apple's lockdown mode, which blocks complex web tech and FaceTime calls from unknown contacts. APM's specifics are still unclear. For your business, APM could be a double-edged sword. It offers robust protection for sensitive data, critical for industries like healthcare, where 98% of data breaches are financially motivated, according to AirDroid, but the functionality trade-offs might disrupt workflows, especially for teams needing flexibility. CyberStreams can help you weigh the benefits against the risks and ensure your devices stay secure either way. Don't let convenience compromise your security. Plan ahead for Android 16. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, assess your risk profile. Determine if your business needs APM's high security features. Second, prepare for functionality changes. Test how APM might impact your workflows with pre-rollout testing. And third, enhance device security now. Strengthen your Android devices with CyberStreams' tailored security solutions before APM arrives. Want to learn more? Click below or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com if this hits home. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.